strikes the same store every day.
Oh.
Look at that little bastard. Didn't pay a dime. This is a seagull. He's smarter than 90% of the robbers.
Here we are. Tiptoe inside. Getting the chips. I love the chips. I got them. I got away before anyone survived it. I love them.
If you keep stealing, you'll be a jailbird.
Every day it's the same packet. It gives you the look every time when it's coming in.
Okay, what look?
Stop eyeballing me, Clerk, or I'll poke your eyes out.
If you're gonna be a thief, it'll be the bomb to have wings.
You'll never catch me that. I love him.
He's kind of a criminal, but he's kind of a Robin Hood, too.
More chips from the gun. Thank Christopher.
Stealing from the fat people to give to the bird.
Excuse me,
Piss off. Get away.
you're now being exposed for your life of crime.
Stop bothering me.
Do you have anything to say?
You'll never keep me from my chips. Freedom.
Be on the lookout for a seagull with orange crap around its face and a double chin. Likes the chips.
I think that most people should start dressing
Huh.
as seagulls when they do crime now. Because it works.
I love the chips, lad. I love the chips.